Founded in 1979, Benchmark Electronics, headquartered in the United States, is a global provider of engineering and manufacturing services, as well as integrated technology solutions for original equipment manufacturers. Its Kora, Thailand operation employs 1,500 people, producing industrial and telecommunications products. The company conceptualized an automated assembly and testing production line equipped with cobots to future-proof its Thai facility, improving production efficiency, output quality, and customer satisfaction.
We test a lot of robot brand in the market. UI is number one cobot brand that's matched to our operation needs, easy to program and safe to work with our operator. Currently, we have 4 UR5 and 2 UR10E to manage the assembly and testing process.
The UR cobots are programmed to undertake 2 tasks, the assembly and the testing of satellite modem transceivers. On the assembly line, the cobot lifts the product and fits it with a printed circuit board or PCB and a module before transferring it to an auto-screwing machine. A vision device then scans the product, registering dedicated serial numbers. Finally, the cobot picks a radio frequency cover to place over the product. At the testing line, the cobot picks and places the completed product on a testing machine. The cobot then sends a command to lock the product securely, and the testing begins. After 15 minutes, the test results are sent to Benchmark's system, and the cobot sends a command to unlock the product. The cobots are highly flexible, enabling manufacturers like Benchmark to easily redeploy and reprogram them for other tasks, should there be a change in the production process or timeline. Udomsak Insume, Benchmark Thailand product engineer, has been working here for years. He initiated the automation project after internet research and discussions with a friend in the industry.
I did not have any experience with cobot before. I learned a lot during the setting up. I learned the create the program and system integrated use just a few days. We are received the good support from Thailand distributor Auto Flexible, who provide the training during setting up a week and advice to my team. I did review safety function on UR, and they have the safety feature added in. We consider application is low risk, no need any safety card install. UR Plus platform very helpful for us to get the camera application installed faster.
Formerly a general process technician, Kong Boonkarun is now a cobot specialist. He is pleased to be working alongside the cobots, overseeing the machines and the automated processes.
The UR cobot is easy to use, safe, and enhances my skills at work. It only took me 2 days to learn to use the cobot. The cobots help us reduce operational time and workplace waste dramatically. Through UR cobots, Benchmark Thailand is seeing greater quality consistency in its production output and higher productivity. The company is expected to achieve ROI within just 18 months.
We see more consistency on the production output and minimal the human error. We improve the operation efficiency by 25%, improve the manufacturing space by 10%. That's good for the new business opportunities. After we implement the cobot in our process, we transfer the operator to the higher skill jobs that involve more complex assembly process. We plan to have 4 more automation projects in Kora, which will require more cobot in the future.